You might have heard that live shopping is exploding. And I have to tell you, I have been on Whatnot for a couple of weeks now, and I see why it is. Now, Whatnot is my sponsor, and they are the reason I got on the platform and checked it out. I'm glad they did. They made it easy for me. I'm going to make it easy for you. I love it. Whatnot is where you get great products without paying full price. It's that simple. I'm hooked on their live shows, too. You got to see them. They're so much fun. And I see why Whatnot has climbed to the top of the App Store. And listen, if you're selling online, or maybe you have a storefront and you're hoping people will find your listing or maybe walk in your store, Whatnot flips that, because on Whatnot, you go live and you sell directly to people in real time. And I may admit, although you didn't hear from me, I may have picked up a couple of power tools or so in the past couple of days. I'm just saying. Whatnot, it's the largest dedicated live shopping platform with beauty, collectibles, electronics, luxury, fashion, even cookies, and anyone can sell. In fact, people who sell on Whatnot sell 10 times as much as any other major marketplace. That's because you're not just listing products, you're building real connections with buyers. So whether you're shopping or you're selling, download the Whatnot app today and get free shipping on your first order. Just search WHATNOT, Whatnot, in the App Store and start scoring amazing deals. So I was whining to my wife the other day, said, I need new glasses. And she said, well, get some. I couldn't tighten them anymore. They were scratched. You know the thing, right? But I didn't want to go through the process because you have to make the appointment. You have to spend weeks to get them done. And you got to pay a fortune, right? That's real. But I did. I spent $500 on frames and glasses, and that was cheap. And then I ordered a pair from my sponsor, Zenni Optical, for $70. Zenni is an online eyewear shop, prescription glasses, sunglasses, blue light lenses, starting at under $30. You go to Zenni.com, you pick a frame, upload your prescription, and they ship it to your door. No appointment, no store, no upsell at the counter. And by the way, if you are saying, do I really need new glasses, or do I have to put up with one pair to do everything I need to do for the next 2 years? No, you can get what you want starting at under $30. And if you've never bought glasses online, don't worry about it. I haven't either. Zenni has a virtual try-on so you can see exactly how the frame looks before you commit to buying them, with no salesman looking at you saying, those look good, but these expensive ones would look better. No, you don't get that. I'm excited. I can't wait to get my Zenni glasses and tell you more about them. If your glasses are overdue for a refresh, now's the time. Go to Zenni.com/podcast and use the code podcast15 for 15% off your first order. The styles sell out, so don't sit on it. That's Zenni.com/podcast. Promo code podcast15. Happy Monday. How are you? That was weird. My neighbor yesterday, a neighbor's sister, actually, she walks up and she goes, thank you for saying that. It really helped me today. I was like, what did I say? Other than, can you get the ball that my dog bounced on the other side of the fence? And she said, I listened to you this morning on the Daily Boost and it really made a difference. Like, wow, that's close to home. In fact, it's next door. It's awesome. Are you living your best life? I know we hear that all the time. I want to be the best version of myself, the best life, the whole deal. It's what we want to do. It's cool. You know, are you doing it? Are you doing it? Is there enough pressure underneath you to go get it to happen? I'll give you a little twist on that today. We'll talk about to get you to live your best life. It is a daily boost from motivationtomove.com. The positive boost you need every single day, starting on another brand new week. All right, Monday haters, come here. Hell, you Monday haters, come over here. Oh, come on. Just get real close. Come on. I got a special message for you. Monday haters only. Everybody else stand back a little bit because you don't want to be part of this. Monday haters, come really close. Put your earbuds in a little bit more. Lean in. Turn that radio up a little bit because here we go. Stop it. Stop it. Stop hating Mondays. Is today the day that you choose that next week you're going to get up on a Monday and be happy to go work and do your thing? Okay, that's it. You get to choose. And today's program will help you do that. How are you? My name is Scott Smith. I'm the founder and the chief motivating officer here at motivationtomove.com. Happy to have you here today as I do what I do, which essentially for 16 and a half years now, show up every single day with this very vague idea that maybe I can motivate people. Maybe I can help you stay on track. Maybe I can help you get what you want. Maybe I might be the only guy for maybe a long period of time. In some cases, it has been 16 and a half years for the people who have listened to me from the beginning. And there's a lot of them out there who ebb and flow throughout life and keep coming back and say, you know what, you got me through that season of my life. Then I went on, did some other stuff, but then I had to come back. That's what the show's for. We do other things. I do other coaching, masterminds, things like that as well for when you're ready to do that. But ultimately, you got to have this every single day. You got to have something that keeps you in the game. I don't think I introduced myself, but whatever. You know who I am. It doesn't really matter. If it's Monday, that means I'm asking the question, have you done your homework? I haven't mentioned it for about 2 weeks now. If you don't have my Perfect Week Planner, go to perfectweekplanner.com. It actually kind of aligns with the homework I ask you to do. There's a video that's right there you can watch, 12 minutes long. It'll teach you how to use it. It'll change your life if you do it. I promise you that. I'm getting ready to redo that, by the way, taking the people who have used it over the years, and they're giving me some feedback on it. We're going to redo it, put it back out there for you, make it even better. But your homework is this. How's my life going? How could that actually help me? Well, it's a better question than why is my life going like this, right? No, how's my life going? Check in with yourself. Are you sitting on the fence, not getting anything done? Are you happy? Everything going well? Are you sure? Things are really bad. Can't change anything. Are you sure? Asking yourself the question, how's my life going, will reveal the questions which will give you the answers. It's important. If I were you, I'd do it every day. But I'm only going to ask you once a week.
This episode is brought to you by Fox One. Watch all 104 matches of the FIFA World Cup live in 4K for just $19.99 a month with 3 days free. Build your own multi-view, choose up to 3 streams, and follow player spotlights. Stay on top of every moment with live stats, highlights, and instant replays. The FIFA World Cup, streaming live on Fox One. Offers are subject to change. See fox.com for complete terms and conditions.
So living your best life right now. We hear a lot about that. I think it depends on where you are in life, what's important to you, what's your best life. Having been alive for more than a few decades, I can tell you what was important to me in my 20s was not as important as it is to me now that I'm 37. And not 37, but can't quite say, okay, 47. We'll just leave it at that. Best life is different. As we talked about before, that crystallized knowledge, that crystallized wisdom. Your life changes over time. Your perspective changes over time. A few years ago, the supermarkets, the grocery stores, they were going to make a change. They were going to basically, change the rules on us, changing the labels. Remember they used to have the expiration date on foods? Some still have it. But they began to change the verbiage a little bit, and they began to call it best if used by. Because we all know it wasn't really expired on the day they said it was going to expire, right? We all knew that. But actually what I think it was the grocery stores figured, okay, if I put an expiration date on it, then nobody's going to buy it the next day. But if I say best if used by, and it was the next day, people say, well, it's only the next day. It's probably still good. Let's go ahead and buy it, right? Common sense. But they changed it, the expiration date. But that doesn't mean the expiration date went away. It just means there's a best if used by date. Maybe your life should be treated the same. So I've known for a long time, and you do as well, although you may not admit it, but everything has an expiration on it. Everything. Friendships, jobs, relationships, houses. There is an expiration date to everything. It's going to come to an end. Nothing goes forever. Everything will come to an end, including you. It's going to happen. What's good may become not so good. What's bad may become great. Who knows? Life will be born. Life will die. It will happen. There's an ebb and flow to life. The universe just has to think about what it does. So the question would be, we don't know our expiration date, do we? Some people get to their expiration date and they didn't know they were going to. Some people get up today, didn't know today was their expiration date. They didn't know. If you get a little bit older, you'll realize that people in their 20s don't really appreciate what they have. You'll never look prettier. You never have more energy. Yeah, you might not have all the brains you want or the money you want or this house you want, things like that, but you'll never be physically who you are. And as you grow, that will begin to fade a little bit because beauty is such great tyranny. That's what happens. But you're best in terms of physicality. You're best in terms of your brain. You're best in terms of your wisdom. There's a best if used by date. So as you go through life, it's going to change. And you'll learn this over time, depending on your age right now. There's a best time, and best like in your 20s. There's certain things that are best to be done in your 20s. Certain things best to be done in your 30s and 40s and 50s and 60s and 70s and beyond. And the closer you get to the beyond, you begin to recognize that, wow, things that are best if used by before the expiration date comes are fewer and fewer and fewer and fewer, but probably more important than ever. So the whole goal now, as you go forward, change in life is inevitable. It's always kind of lurking around the corner. It's going to happen. To me, the best of what you've been given right now is what you should be using right now. So I know it's hard to wrap your head around because as humans, we don't tend to do that. It's hard to sell fear. People don't do that. That's why insurance companies don't say, you're going to die. They say, protect your family. That's what you do, right? You're going to expire someday. In fact, everything around you will expire. Doesn't matter. Your Netflix subscription will expire the day your credit card expires. It just is going to happen. I'm guessing you should use it before the card expires, right? What can you do today that you ought to get done? As a child, you need to say, I love you too, because they're going to graduate and be gone before you know it. You won't hear from them for a while. Somebody you should say thank you to, an older person, maybe helped you along the way, and you just haven't said what you got to say. Before you know it, you might not have a chance. Today might be the time to use it. There's a lot of ways you can think about this, but be your best today, because there's something that today is the day it's best used by. As I get motivation from the side of a milk carton. That's right. That's where this comes from. It's awesome. Anyway. All right. I have no idea what's coming up tomorrow. I haven't gone that far yet, but we'll have some fun. I promise you that. If you want to join me on Facebook, go to dailyboostpodcast.com/Facebook. Call me out. Say hi over there. If you want my Perfect Week Planner, go get the perfectweekplanner.com. It's there for you. And if you want to get my Face Your Passion program and join me for the next Boost coaching, it's really a sort of mastermind call. It's pretty awesome. Just go to dailyboostpremium.com. I gave you a lot right there. Listen back, take notes, go do it all. It's all good for you. And the Face Your Passion program only available for a couple of more weeks. We're going to take it away at the end of May. Forever and ever and ever, it'll be gone. That's a promise. I'm not Disney. I don't bring things back. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow right here on the Daily Boost.